Where I'm from. I am from Canon Photographs, from dog toys and sidewalk chalk. I am from the cul-de-sac's warm breeze on a summer day. I am from hostas, the climbing tree, whose long-gone limbs I remember as if they were my own. I'm from Christmas cookies and Halloween parties, from Charles and Patricia. I'm from family dinner nights and Italian hospitality. I'm from Sunday Mass with Grandma. I'm from work hard and never do a half job. And I'll love you forever, in the rocking chair, the book I have memorized for life. I'm from Grandpa's flapjacks. I'm from Rochester, New York, and Italy. From meatballs and Grandma's cookies. From the jump off the big swing, like the older sisters, which left two great front teeth for 6 years. The scrapbook and the bookshelf, which hold pictures of years past, reminding me the ways in which childhood will always be full of a child's smile, which brings joy to the heart of a young woman enjoying the years as they pass by.